Hey guys, welcome to Being Civil. In this video, we are going to talk about Object Snap or OSnap in AutoCAD. What is OSnap? OSnap or Object Snap helps you to snap your object to the perfect position you want. It may be the end point of some line, midpoint of some line, coordinate point of a circle, center point of a circle, apparent intersection of two lines, tangent to a circle, like that. Currently, my Object Snap settings is turned off. You can see it from here. Keeping that off, I want to draw a line from this midpoint to this endpoint. But when I hover my mouse here, you can't snap to the exact midpoint here. So in that case, shift right click and you can see all your snap positions are showing here. So press midpoint, you can now see only the midpoints. Click this, and for this endpoint, again shift right click and click endpoint. Now I want to draw a line from this coordinate point to this coordinate point. Shift right click quadrant, click this point, shift right click quadrant, this point. I want to draw a line from this center to the perpendicular to this line. So shift right click center, shift right click perpendicular. That's all. Let us draw a line from this point to the tangent point here. Shift right click tangent. You can see this tangent snap here and also here. When the snap shows, just click here, the line will be snapped to the point. Now let us on my object snap by pressing F3. You see it's showing object snap on. Now try to draw line. Its endpoint showing, but the midpoint is not showing. Quadrant point showing, center point showing. Now what's the problem? Just hit OSnap command and hit enter. You can see all the snap positions are not selected. So select all and click OK. Now you can snap all the desired position you want. Now I want to draw a circle with a center point, which is the intersection of these two lines. You don't need to extend this line to get the intersection. Give the circle command showing the specify center point, go to apparent intersection, select this line and select this line. You see this point is the apparent intersection. That's all friends. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends, give your comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video.